Hey guys, today's video we are going to be making soap embeds. I am using these for my foam and whip sugar scrubs, but you could use this for whatever you use soap embeds for. Chop your soap up into small chunks. It makes it easier to melt when you put it in the microwave. I like to use low sweat soap because it doesn't have a lot of glycerin dew, and it's unattractive when your customer opens it up and they see the glycerin dew. So let's melt the soap down and put it in the microwave for about 5 to 10 second increments. Don't put it in too long. Burnt soap smells disgusting. We're going to make some chocolate chips. Now the chocolate chip mold that I'm using is from Flexi Mold. I will put the link down in the description box, and it is easy peasy. Just fill that all the way up, allow that to harden, and after it hardens, all you have to do is pop that out. Now I like to pre-make all of my embeds, put them to the side so that my process is streamlined and I can just go right on through and making my sugar scrubs and adding my embeds, and I don't have to do it separately every single time. Let's put this to the side and get into these realistic chocolate chip cookies. I made the chocolate chips using black soap crumbles from Baraka Shea Butter. Spritz that with alcohol. That is going to help the soap to adhere. I used clear soap with like one chunk of white and added bronze mica, gold mica to get this color of cookie that I wanted. And I added a thin layer so that the black soap crumbles didn't float up to the top. And then I went back and I refilled it all the way to the top. And look at that. They look so good and realistic. I surprised myself. This is how the soap cookies came out. I did not tape the Oreos, but I used clear soap with some black mica, and that is how I achieved the Oreos look. I show you guys how to make your own foam and whip sugar scrubs, and I also share with you where I got the recipe from. But I also have a class. So if you're interested in my Sugar Scrub Masterclass, I will have the link down in the description bar. And if you got this far, please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notifications bell so that you can be notified when we are going live. And I'm usually live in the morning for Coffee with Nikki, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's your daily cup of information and inspiration. Talk to you later. Bye.